It's Sandra from Midwest Charm. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I am the owner and creator here, and we have a storefront in Pine City, Minnesota, where we sell repurposed and upcycled furniture and home decor, along with some really cool gifts. And I'm here today, bags under my eyes and all, to show you our thrift haul that I've got 2 boxes of stuff. I was trying to figure out where the 1 box went, and I found it. So let me start by going through this stuff first. I have a few big items I'm going to show y'all first. And first off is this amazing mirror. I love this. This is going to get refinished. I'm just not sure how. And you just saw my messy work table, and I apologize. I'm working on cleaning that off today. Believe it or not, I have like 4 projects started, including 2 jewelry boxes. We got this really awesome cutting board, you guys. We are a lake town. I've mentioned that before, and fish items sell really well for us. And this will go out as is. It actually, I don't even see any cuts on it or anything. So this had to have been used straight up for decor, and I love it. I don't have room, so I'm kind of like balancing. I got this, Todd found this, my husband. It's just a little padded stool that will get reupholstered. I haven't decided on a fabric or anything yet. I dropped a candlestick. So once I figure out what I'm going to do for a fabric, I'll pick out my paint color and go from there. This wooden candle holder, candlestick, love the flowers. I probably am going to leave this one as is and see if it'll sell in the natural wood. And if it doesn't, then I'll paint it up. And if you watched my short, I did get this cute little clock. I've not tested it out yet. I didn't have batteries. I've got the hiccups. I'm sorry. I didn't have batteries with me that day. Next is this. You guys, is this, first of all, it has a bird, so I had to get it. Is this for jewelry? Is this for, I'm thinking mugs, right? And then like K-cups or I'm sure it's for napkins, but K-cups are like something down here. I'm kind of liking this. I don't know. It just was a little different than our norm. I have 2 boxes. I'm trying to decide which to grab from. This is going to get a makeover, this little chest. I do pretty well when we paint these up and do transfers or decoupage on them. So that's what that will get. You'll see me grab these every time we find them. This guy needs cleaned up pretty good. He may even need repainted. I don't know. But these sell really well for us. Again, lake town. And this particular type of wood fish sells good. Which brings us to these wood fish. I'm not doing anything to these. I've got some red, white, and blue stuff we're slowly collecting for Memorial Day through 4th of July for our window, and those will go in the window. And this was another hubby find, you guys. How cute are these roosters? These bookends, I'm probably not going to do anything to begin with. I'll put them out as is. If they don't sell, then I'll go through and do like our cement look with them, where I paint them gray and white wax. I love those. I cannot believe he found them. And then I got this big glass birdie, and I'm going to try selling him as is too. Sometimes this type of color scheme doesn't really sell well for us. And if it doesn't, then we'll go ahead and paint him up again, probably with some texture and gray and white wax. I know, boring, but they look cute and they sell well. And I got this for my son. You guys, how cute is that? It's got a little basketball hoop in it. And he doesn't even know I got it. And that's a shirt. Oh! How could I forget this cookie jar? It does have a marking on. I don't think it's old, but he is too cute. So this will go out as is. It just needs cleaned up, especially with all the tape, goop. And that is box 1. Let me flip everything back into here. And then we'll start this second box. I have things wrapped up in a throw that I bought. So I gotta be careful. Okay, we found some more geese, you guys. These ones got little gold beaks. These are from 1998. Somebody painted them. And those will just get cleaned up and put in the store. Oh, and hubby found this too. It's a little teapot. This is not vintage by any means. But look how cute that is. So this needs to go in right away because, you know, that's definitely an Easter item. Oh, and this is, again, red, white, and blue. I don't know if you can see this. This is Ellie Smith. No, it's Indiana glass. It's a fairy lamp. So it's 2 pieces, and I haven't checked for nicks and cracks because I do have it wrapped up pretty good. But this was like a last-second find. I was super happy. 2 very last-second finds that I was excited about. I did get this throw. I think it's adorable. It does have the red in it that matches the other reds we've been grabbing. Oh, you guys, this was my other last-minute find. This is Empoli. Now, if we had my stopper for this, it would be worth quite a bit. I mean, quite a bit. We're talking $150. It is beyond amazing. Trying to see if there's any sort of, I don't know, but the hobnail and gorgeousness. I will probably save this for fall if Katie doesn't grab this. This is her type of thing. She loves colored glass, and you add those hobnails, and she's a sucker. We got a few, another candlestick. Let me do this one first. This one I'm going to probably leave as is to start with too. It's got the pretty gold and it already looks white wax. So we're going to leave that one as is. And then these, this one is broken. So I'm going to glue it back together. And I've got a pair of these. And they will get painted up and yeah, because I don't like them as is. And this is glass. I don't know. This part that's broken, I can show you. It's glass, so we'll get that all fixed up. Oh, and you know I'm going to grab every metal rooster like this that I can. He's going to go in our window. I'm not doing anything to him. He is absolutely lovely. And last but not least are these stacking boxes. There looks to be 3 of them, and I got some lovely filler. I'm going to actually, I loved the texture on these, and I don't like the lids. I'm not into the grape theme or the fruit theme in general. I'm going to actually paint these up and then probably decoupage on top of them. I'm not sure what yet, or maybe something from the new IOD release for spring. I haven't decided yet. But we're going to do something with those as well. And that is everything today. It was small, it was good, and I can't wait to get these items in the store. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please share if you like this kind of content and think your friends would as well. And we'll see you guys all next time. Bye.